welcome to my channel. My name is Abby Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to show you guys a new airdrop alpha that I would like you guys to start farming right now. But before I get into this content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. So guys, the name of the project we are looking at today is called PRDT Finance, and this project is a very simple project. And if you are watching this video right now, I would like you guys to please click on the description box, click on those links, and start farming this project as soon as possible. Now this project is a very easy to mine project, and I'll be showing you guys how you can go about it. So once more, if you want to farm this project, make sure you click on the link in the description box, register, and you start mining this alpha as soon as possible. Now the first thing about this project is that the PRDT countdown is on and the TGA date review is coming fast. Now the project has already issued out their white paper, which also contains their total supply, and their total supply is going for about 100 million tokens. So right now I can see that we can really get a good high price from this particular token and project update. Now if you want to mine this project, is a very simple thing. Like I said, all you have to do is click on the link in the description box and you start mining this project every single day. Now guys, let me take you to my OKX wallet and show you guys the interface and dashboard of this project and how you can get started right now. So guys, this is my OKX wallet. I run most of my airdrop alphas on the OKX wallet, but however you can also do this on your MetaMask app, or you can do it on browsers that enable extensions as well, and you can run this particular update there too. So let me click on confirm right now, because you are going to confirm your wallet before you start first. So guys, I've been able to confirm my wallet, and this is the interface of this particular update. And as you guys can see right there, it is a free mining update in which we are mining tokens every day, and we are doing nothing really but just for us to trade. We can opt in to trade in order to boost our mining power, and we can also check in to boost. So every day you have to keep coming back every single day in order to check in and boost your mining as well. And as you guys can see right here, the TGE will be announced in the next 11 days. So guys, you can also go to their platform right here, in which you can download their white paper, go through it, analyze it, and see whatever information you can pick from it as well. So mainly guys, the token we are mining here are being auto mined every single day, but all you have to do is just make sure you keep coming back here to check in, and by doing so you'll be boosting your mining power as well. So like I said guys, this project is running at just 100 million total supply, and for members in my community in our Telegram channel, I've talked about the possible price predictions with them. So if you're also watching this video, please do well to join our Telegram channel, where you'll be getting airdrop alphas and updates as well. So guys, this is all I have for today's particular video update, and I would like you guys to start doing this as soon as possible, because right now this is launching very soon, most probably in the next month that we are looking at. So remember guys, register, start mining your PRDT tokens, check in daily. You can also trade in to boost. So that's it for this particular video guys. So if you are interested in running this particular airdrop updates, make sure you click on the link in the description box and you start mining this as soon as possible. And also do well to join our Telegram channel, where we drop free airdrop alphas updates, and also what our sports trading and future trading channels, where you receive free cryptocurrency signals as well. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.